Welcome! In front of me is an Honor Pad 9, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like this. And somewhere below here you'll find a bunch of toggles. Chances are power saving mode won't be visible at the start, so you might need to swipe down here once more to extend the list of visible toggles. As you can see, this becomes a list, an actual list. So again, we're looking for power saving mode, which by the looks of it, it's still not visible here. So we might need to add it ourselves. We can do that by clicking right here on this box and then edit shortcut switches. And we're gonna scroll down and look for our power saving mode, which again, it's not visible, which is a bit of a shame. So by the looks of it, we don't have the toggle that can be added into here. Okay, so I guess we're gonna go through settings and battery right here. And here we have the power saving mode. As you can see, it gives us also a time that will be the device supposedly will run for with this being enabled. And as you can see, it gives us a quick info on what will happen when enabled. So dark mode will be enabled, auto sync and some other functions will be turned off, background app activities will be restricted, and visual effects will be reduced. Now, the most important part of this entire message is the auto sync. Now it kind of, in the way that it describes it, it just glances over that, but it's a very important thing that it will be changing. That might be a complete deal breaker to some people. So what that refers to is that once your power saving mode is enabled, for instance, your email fetching or notifications from like WhatsApp, Instagram, and any kind of other application that requires internet connection will not be happening. You will need to open up the application yourself for that application to then look if it's missing some kind of updates. So that is how what the message would imply right here, as it does state that it turns it off completely, right? But you might also there's a chance that you might experience just a delay in a notification delivery, which is a better option, obviously. But by the way it's stated right here, I don't think that's going to be the option. Now, that being said, there's also a performance mode, which obviously is just the exact opposite of the battery saver. It increases the performance of the device. But with that being said, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by navigating again to settings, battery, and toggling it off. This will revert all the changes. And like I mentioned, unfortunately, there is no toggle in here to toggle it on or off, which is a bit of a shame. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.